So today I'm going to be showing you how to link your mobile device up to Visual Studio in order to be able to debug your app in real time. So the first thing you want to do is go onto your phone and download an app called Expo Go. So what you want to do is go to the App Store, go search for Expo Go, and then it should be the first one up. You can see I already have it downloaded, but it's going to be this one. You want to click download it, and then once you open it, you're going to have to create an account. So create an account, go through all that, and next thing you should see is this screen. And so the next step is going to be to go over to Visual Studio into your app and type in npx space expo space start. And it shouldn't take too long. You'll see QR code will pop up. If you have an Android device in Expo Go, you can actually open up a camera in it and scan this QR code. Or if you're on iOS, you have to go into your camera and scan it. And you see it says pop up. This pop up says open in Expo Go. So you open that, you see goes over to it, and you see at the very bottom it says building JavaScript bundle. So now I'm in it. So if you look, you can see I can add the text here just to type in anything. Save. You should see it pops up with all that. And so that's one way to do it. There's another thing you can do, which is create a emulator on your computer. So what you do basically is you emulate a phone on your computer without having to use your own mobile device. And so I'm gonna show you how to do that now. What you want to do is search for Android Studio and then go to download options. What this is basically is this is a download for an emulator that creates a simulation of an Android phone. And unfortunately, you aren't able to do this for iOS because that's limited to macOS only, and it's not on Windows or Linux. So if you have macOS, you can search Xcode in the App Store, and you may have to search up a tutorial for that. But unfortunately, I'm on Windows, so I can't use that. But I'm going to show you how to do Android Studio. So you're going to download Android Studio, then you're going to open up the. Once it's done downloading, you're going to open up the launcher. So once it launches, you'll see mine says uninstalled version because I have it installed, but you just keep going through the steps. Next, click build next, keep going through it, and then it takes a little bit to install because it's just a big project. But once it's done installing, you can close out of this, and then you can launch it. So once it launches, you should see this window pop up. What you're going to want to do is go into More Actions, go down to Virtual Device Manager. As you can see, I already have two created, but if you want to create a new one, you can go to Create Device. Click on the type of one you want. So I'm going to do Pixel 5. Click Next. Then click the version you want. I'm going with Tiramisu because that's the latest. Click Next again. You can see Portrait or Landscape. And just click Finish. You'll see here's a new one. So to launch it, you're going to want to click on this play image over here. And you'll see the phone will pop up over here. It's still starting up, so we're going to wait a second. So now it's started up. You can see there's options on the side here. So we're just going to power it on. So now that the phone is up and running, you want to go back over to uh, Visual Studio, and you can see over here it says press A to open Android. So we're going to do that, and it's downloading the app now. If I flip back over to this, you should see whenever this is done, the Expo Go app will pop up. As you can see now, the Expo Go app is opened up, and now it's bundling all of the information. So now you can see that the text I had here is now here. If I do Control S to save, go back over to it, you can see now I'm in the app and it's updating the text. If I change this text again to random stuff, Control S, go over to it, you can see it's changed now. And yeah, that's how you run an emulator on Expo Go.